Hey guys, what is up? RedPandaMining here. How you guys all doing? Hope you're all doing really well and having a really great day. In this video, I have just been sent a package from a gentleman, well, I believe a combination of two people who have helped me unbrick and fix my 5700. I don't know, for those that have seen the live stream, it was about, I think, 2 months ago. I was trying to fix a 5700, like a bricked 5700. And look at this! Oh, Mad Electron sticker, RPM sticker. I see pocket change back there. I'll open this up later. Oh, Rondi, what did you send me? Rondi, look at this. This is insane. Oh, USB to M.2 or M SATA adapter. That's pretty sick. Oh, I have been wanting to test one of these. This is a 1-to-6 USB splitter. Now I gotta try this on my like 16 GPU or 24 GPU mining build thing that I was trying to do. Rondi, what else did you send me? Look at this. Cafe Bustelo, a Keurig, nice coffee. Definitely gonna try this right after the video. And oh, looks like you sent me, what is this? Cotigo Lux, holy, this, a spill-proof drinking vessel. Dude, this is a baller mug, man. That is awesome. Thank you, Rondi, for this. Okay guys, here is the 5700. Let me continue the story. So you guys know I was trying to fix my 5700. I was doing a live stream and I had an issue, right? I was able to mine for it maybe for like a couple minutes or maybe like 1 or 2 times during that live stream. It was about an hour. And it would just not work. Like I tried switching the BIOS switch. Sometimes it would work, sometimes it wouldn't. We tried BIOS flashing it and it just did not work. You guys saw that live stream. And so I gave up. You guys know I couldn't get it to work. This is my first 5700 that I ever got. This is like, I think 2 years old now. So I got into communication with 2 gentlemen named Mad Electron Engineering. He's got a YouTube channel. Definitely go subscribe to him down below. Also, a gentleman named Rondi. He is from Misfit Mining, co-partner with ChumChange XD of Misfit Mining. They actually have a video fixing this 5700. And so I shipped this off to Rondi. And then Mad Electron came over to Rondi's place and then they went ahead and troubleshooted why this 5700 wouldn't work. And they ultimately figured out that it was because of the BIOS switch. Okay, so there's no longer a BIOS switch here. They like tinkered with it and then they took it apart and then they also, you know, they did testing of where it was possibly shorting or, you know, I guess not shorting or communicating with the BIOS pin. And so this Power Color Red Devil has an OC side and a silent BIOS side. So what Mad Electron and Rondi did, they took out the switch. There used to be a switch here. They simply soldered 2 of the pins. I don't know which ones. They'll explain it in the video. I'll have it linked down below. And then they were able to boot it back up, get it mining, and it worked. They put back the original BIOS just to make sure it worked on the silent side, and then Rondi went ahead and modded the BIOS so to do the, you know, the 1500 RAM timings, I believe, and up, and also get like 54 mega hash on this 5700. So that is pretty awesome. Rondi, thank you so much. Mad Electron Engineering, thank you so much. You guys, I am indebted to you. I need to repay you guys somehow. Oh, actually, I have another potential thing. I don't know if you guys want to look at it, Rondi or Mad Electron. If you guys can look at this Radeon 7. This thing just does not work. I get code 43. It shows up in the device manager, but it says code 43, so I'm unable to mine on it in Windows or in HiveOS. It just gives like a driver error. So this thing is bricked. I don't know why. If you guys want to take a stab at it, please let me know. I will send you this Radeon 7 50th anniversary. This has a lot of sentimental value to me. If you guys can fix this, I will give you everything. I'll give you an S19, I'll give you these 1660 Ti's, I'll give you this RX 580 4GB card rig. I'll give you everything if you guys can get this fixed. Like this card, this has been sitting for like a year now, and I'll tell you the backstory of this one. I simply just turned the rig off. I took the GPU out of the rig and I placed it into another rig, and then I booted that rig up and then it bricked. Like nothing, I could not get it to mine after I simply moved it. So that is Radeon 7s, the bane of my existence. So Rondi, Mad Electron, let me know. Let me know in the comments below. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for fixing my 5700. You know what, guys? We're gonna go take this GPU on my test bench and get it to mine, and I also wanna see the power consumption through a PMD power meter. All right, be right back. Oh man, this Red Devil, Power Color Red Devils are probably my favorite looking coolers for the 5700s, even the 5700 XTs. Oh, I wish I could have like hundreds of these. Anyways, guys, it's mining. Look at this. 5700, we're in Hive OS, okay? On my test bench, we're getting 56 mega hash. All right, here are my settings in case anyone out there wants to, I don't know, copy these settings for some reason. But now, the biggest thing I've been wondering about. So in the software, it shows 118 watts. But at the PMD here, okay, so I have specifically a power measuring device thing here where there's 8 pins that go directly into the two 8 pins. It's actually one 8 pin and one 6 pin for power. And that's going into the PMD device here. And then how it gets the power is through my 1200 watt HP server PSU with a Parallel Miner X11 breakout board. So that's how it's getting and reading the power wattage, like exact power consumption through here. So you can see here, we are drawing about 136 to 140 watts. It's fluctuating a bit. Now, we can also see exactly the riser power, which is this one right here, okay, PCIe 1, which is just for the riser power for the 6 pin, okay? Apparently that's drawing up to 75 watts, which is, wow, I did not think the riser would take 75 watts. That's insane. So now, if we go to PCIe 2, which is the two 8 pins here, this is drawing about 62 watts. Look at that, hey, 62 watts. It's drawing less power at the top of this 5700 than at the riser. That is quite something. I've learned something today. Man, I really love this PMD device. Thank you, Mr. Mad Electron Engineering, again, because he has a video where he showcases this with a lot of GPUs as well. So go check out his video with that down below and make sure you subscribe as well. All right, guys, that's it. I just wanted to give a little update here of my 5700 that I've had for a long time, and it like bricked because I guess it was the BIOS switch. It was just not registering so that it could get a BIOS on either one, the OC side or the silent side. So Mad Electron, Rondi, thank you guys so much again for fixing my 5700. I owe you guys a lot. Please, if you guys need anything, let me know. And again, let me know if I can send you a Radeon 7. And if you guys want to take a crack at that, I would love to send it to you. All right, thank you guys for watching. Let me know your thoughts. Have a good one. And peace out. Man, I cannot believe the riser power is more than the GPU power. That is crazy for this 5700.